Akira. Akira. The Walking Dead. The Walking Dead. Akira. Akira. Attack on Titan. Attack on Titan. Doctor Who. Doctor Who gets the cast of a drunk grandpa and a whiny teen in Sharky's witty art. Deadpool. B6 meets the devious Deadpool, and artist Joe Hogan art shows off how that encounter really goes down. Super Mario Kart. Rick and Morty makes for a Super Mario Kart like you've never seen before thanks to the talented artist the Steve Yuko. Back to the Future. Back to the Future. Ghostbusters. Ghostbusters. Smash Bros. Smash Bros. Gets a psychedelic Rick and Morty DLC in Joe Hogan Art's super cool sketch. Star vs. The Forces of Evil. Star vs. The Forces of Evil. Adventure Time. Adventure Time crosses into a vile dimension in Duo D's marvelous and twisted artwork. Beetlejuice. Pokmon. A plethora of Pokmon awaits the duo in Steve Yuko's crazy masterpiece.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.